Hey everyone, this is Aaron Zettner. I just wanted to take you through an installation process of a VDI software called VMware Horizon. This will help us access certain programs and platforms and hopefully help our students as they're able to navigate through the whole VDI installation process. This process is going to be covering the download and installation of the Windows version. I will be making a secondary video for a Mac version. So I'm going to include the download link where we can access the VMware Horizon clients in the comments in this video. So with that, after you select the download link, it's going to bring you to a page of product downloads. So for this demonstration, we're going to be looking at Windows. So we're going to go to downloads. There's two versions of the download of the product, the 2012 and the 2006. It's recommended if your machine is much older to download the 2006, but typically machines can handle the 2012 version. So you go to download now on the right-hand side, you select download now. You'll see at the bottom left-hand side the progress of your download. And so once your download is available, you can click it to open the download. The download will then ask you, you can access it here or you can access it in your downloads folder. What it will do is it'll take you through a few steps, which will ask, would you like to make changes to your device? Yes. Would you like to install? Yes. So you agree and install. Once the platform is installed, it will ask you to restart your computer. Please restart your computer then. And so when you come back after restarting your computer, you're going to have an icon, this green icon right here called VMware Horizon. You're going to click that to open it. And it's going to say you want to add a new server. Select Add New Server. So it's going to say enter the name of the server. For the name of the server, you're going to type in mydesktop.cccd.edu and press connect. It's going to ask for a username and password. You're going to use your Coast login, which is your single sign-on. So for me, that's A Zettner, and that's for me, Aaron Zettner. So you're going to use your own personal one. It's authenticating. And so you'll see there's a two-way authentication process where they'll then text message you a special code to your phone. And with that code, you will then punch in the code that's text message to your phone. And this process you have to do every time. It's just for security measures to ensure that we're the correct individual. After you enter that information, it authenticates you. So then it'll bring you to a screen for what computer you want to log into. For this, we're going to go to CCC SSC. So you'll double click that and you'll load your desktop. And with that, it's going to be entering you into a desktop. So now you're going to have access to the VDI desktop. And with that, you then be able to access the different platforms and tools that you will be able to utilize in your classroom. So I'm going to wait for this to load because I did want to, and you'll see the drive allow, so you'll want to allow. And then what we'll do is we'll go back to the program. So once my window's open, I'll take us to our Atlas program. For this is an Atlas course, but you can access other different desktop tools as you'll see once it loads. So sorry for the delay on that. So now I'm in. So for example, we have Power BI Desktop, we have Lightroom, and as it says, please make sure to log off. And so for me, I would like to go and there's access to your QuickBooks for your different accounting courses. So for Atlas, for the program we're doing, so for me, atlas.visiblebody.com. And here's where we'll be able to access our Atlas app for our desktop and open it up and utilize that. So this is just a brief tutorial on how to access the different desktops or to access your VDI desktop to utilize a variety of different applications at Coast. Thank you.